Namaste Gurukulian, I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So welcome back. Physical Education Chapter 5, it is Part 10, Children and Women in Sports. It is for plus 2 class. In previous part we completed about the menstrual cycle, periods in females, dysfunction, amenorrhea, osteoporosis, or today we will do the eating disorder. Eating disorder. Disorder, you know, it is related to our we can say mental health, psychology. So that's why it is called disorder. Means cause of our mental health, our actions, we can say our action got affected. Okay. So first one is anorexia nervosa. Second one is bulimia nervosa. One thing, it is basically it happen in teenagers. Okay, those are in the teenage, especially in female. Anorexia nervosa or bulimia nervosa, both are relating to the we can say a bad eating habit, cause of some depression, cause of some anxiety, cause of that it is known as disorder. A eating habit is, we can say, not proper, not ample for the health of the individual. If I talk about the anorexia nervosa, in anorexia nervosa a individual not taking food, individual used to very conscious regarding weight gain, fearful, like if they will eat lunch, breakfast, dinner in proper manner, then somewhere they have a fear that weight will be gained after this. Okay, so cause of that fear they stay very strict not to eat meal. In anorexia nervosa, they used to go for fasting, they used to go we can say extra exercise to set up the body structure. Means in anorexia nervosa, female, especially female it's happen cause of some psychological factor, cause of some biological factor, cause of some social factor. They are not eating the lunch, they are not eating the breakfast, they are not eating the dinner. Okay, or one reason, somewhere it improve, it gain their body weight, but this much conscience they are regarding their weight gain, it is harmful for them. This much consciousness regarding the weight gain, regarding their eating habits, it is very harmful for them. It bring them toward the many diseases like depression, anxiety, or many other disorder. Okay, so it is known as the bulimia nervosa. There are two type of bulimia nervosa, two type. One is restricting type, in this they are restrict like not to eat food continuously on fasting, they become dehydrated. Okay, restricted here is, it is related to food, means they are not eating the food. In this form of anorexia, consumption of food is severely restricted in various ways, such as maintaining the calories count. Okay, such as maintaining the calories count that is too low for the body requirement, limiting certain type of foods, eating only one meal in a day, go on fasting, excessive exercise. Okay, these type of the things. Second one is purging or binge eating. Purging or it is the second type. It means eat more than requirement. Okay, हद से ज़्यादा खा लेना. Or it is related to the means again to maintain the body weight. Sometime they eat a lot, sometime they are on the fasting. These are the two type of we can say anorexia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa. Causes of anorexia. Causes of anorexia nervosa. First one is psychological factor. Psychological factor related to the psychology, it is known as the disorder. Means they are hyper conscious regarding the weight gain, like they don't want to their weight will be gain. Okay, other hand side, cause of that consciousness, sometimes they go in the depression, anxiety or stress, or cause of anxiety, stress, or we can say depression, many more thing, many more illness take place in their body. So it is the psychological factor also. Okay, or to become fact, to show themselves in society they are perfect, they are fit and fine, they become very restricted toward their diet chart, toward their we can say schedule of the eating meals. Second one is the we can say social factor. Social factor. In social factor, what happen? We know we are living in the culture where we have seen in the TV that models zero figure, especially in female. We know that actresses are there in Bollywood, Hollywood, Tollywood, whatever it is. Okay, so they used to watch the movies, or in movies they have seen the actress with the zero figure. Means same concept clear in their mind. If they also got the zero figure, then they will look like the actress. So its impact go on the female's character, female psychology. So it is also a big factor that they indulge in, we can say, in these type of activity which is known as the disorder anorexia nervosa. Or in your book they are saying, for over a century we have been living in a culture that prizes thinner, with zero size models and celebrities perceived as having the ideal body type. The pressure to conform to this standard come from the media and even peers, family and colleagues. Another one is the biological factor. Biological factor. In biological factor we can say sometime biological factor might trigger anorexia nervosa, genetics, inheritance, and other hand side, for example, might make some people more vulnerable to developing anorexia than the other. So many things are there. Heredity also work, mentality also work, some other biological factor are also there. These three factors reasons are for anorexia nervosa. Same type of reasons are for the bulimia nervosa. This thing keep in your mind. Simple thing, psychologically, social or biological. Three things. These three reasons we can write when question is there about the anorexia nervosa. Second one is bulimia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa. In bulimia nervosa, what happened? It is also a type of disorder under the eating disorder. In bulimia nervosa, what happened in the teenage? Like in the beginning, what they do? They eat a lot. Okay, they eat a lot, or after some time, they overthink about what they eaten, or they think that they have eaten a lot. Cause of that their weight will be gain, or what they do, they go to washroom, they go to wash basin, they keep finger in their throat, or they start vomiting the meal what they are eaten. Okay, very bad habit. Another hand side, they used to apply enema to wash out the waste from the colon. So it is also happen in the bulimia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa is simply, bulimia is an eating disorder in which the patient consumes a large quantity of food within a short period and subsequently ejects it from the body through vomiting or with the help of laxative or diuretics. It was recognized as separate disorder. Okay, so it is the characteristics of bulimia nervosa. सबसे पहले थोड़े पीरियड में बहुत ज़्यादा खा लेना, उसके बाद सोचना कि कहीं मेरा वेट ना बढ़ जाए, तो उसके बाद क्या करते हैं, दे throw out that meal with we can say through vomiting. So it is the characteristic of bulimia. Bulimia nervosa have also a two type: purging bulimia or non-purging bulimia. Okay, purging bulimia and non-purging bulimia. In purging bulimia, what they are doing in these type of bulimia, the patients undergo self-induced vomiting and abuse diuretics, laxatives or enemas. What I told you in bulimia nervosa, same thing they are doing in the purging bulimia. Means they want to throw out the that food from their stomach with the help of vomiting, or another hand enema. Non-purging bulimia, in this type of bulimia the individual used method like fasting. Okay, same like anorexia nervosa, fasting, exercise, or dehydrated, strict dieting. Okay, strict dieting, cause of that they want to get rid of the high calories. So it is the characteristics of the non-purging bulimia. Cause of bulimia, then genetic also we can say, biological factor also we can say, psychological factor also, and social factor also we can say in the bulimia nervosa. Or what happen in bulimia nervosa or anorexia nervosa? Symptoms, what type of symptom? A different type of behavior also we have seen in the patient. Second side, their weight is they goes under weight, like according to BMI, what is the normal weight according to height, so they are under from this category. Another hand side, their muscles become very weak, their bones become very weak, their face look like very pale, and their teeth, or other hand side, their skin also look like very dry, or we can say rashes also we have seen on their skin. So these type of the symptoms we have seen, those person are having bulimia nervosa or anorexia nervosa. For treatment or prevention of bulimia, then we have to consult with a doctor, or with the help of self dedication also we can treat ourselves from bulimia nervosa or anorexia nervosa. Only one thing we have to clear in our mind, that what we are eating. One more thing, that our body made by God or whatever it is made like what we eat. What is the extra for our body that automatically the body will throw outside. But some work also we have to perform daily. Some physical activity also we have to perform daily. Physical also or mental. For mental activity we can say we have to sleep minimum 7 to 8 hours daily. Okay. For treatment ourselves also, or we can consult with the doctor also. Other hand side, some other we can say dietitians are also there, or regarding gym and exercise also we have to take suggestions from the trainers, or we have to totally take knowledge from the dietitian about the calories, like in which type of food what number of calories are there, or how much we have to eat to maintain the balance of the diet. So these type of the treatment for bulimia nervosa or anorexia nervosa. Three type of treatment we can say: psychological treatment, and another hand side healthy weight or proper nutrition, and exercise treatment. Three treatment you will write in both anorexia nervosa or bulimia nervosa. First one is psychological treatment, second one is healthy or nutritional treatment, third one is the exercise treatment. So these 2-3 methods are there to treat ourselves with the help of guide, with the help of doctor, or with the help of coach or trainer. So it is the topic, it is over, or the 10th part, it is the final one of this chapter. Okay, if any problem you can send me the message on WhatsApp group. So तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते, टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ.